Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Qutub Minar. First, let's establish the foundational shapes. Start by drawing a broad, cylindrical base, which will form the sturdy bottom of the tower. Above this, sketch a slightly thinner cylinder, creating the initial tapering effect. Remember, the base should occupy roughly 1/3 of your total intended height for the monument, setting a strong foundation for the subsequent levels. Now, let's bring in the iconic architectural details. The Qutub Minar features 5 distinct stories, each gracefully adorned with a projecting balcony. Observe that the first 3 stories are predominantly crafted from rich red sandstone, giving them a warm, earthy tone. The upper 2 stories, however, showcase a beautiful blend of marble and sandstone, adding a striking contrast to the monument's facade. Moving on to the intricate textures and messages. The first story of the Qutub Minar is uniquely characterized by 24 alternating circular and angular flutings, creating a dynamic visual pattern. The second story exclusively displays circular flutings, while the third story features only angular ones. Don't forget to add the beautiful Arabic inscriptions that encircle the tower, telling stories of its history and construction. To complete your drawing, let's refine the proportions and add final touches. The Qutub Minar stands at an impressive height of approximately 73 meters. Its base spans nearly 15 meters in diameter, gradually narrowing to about 3 meters at the very top. Remember to include the delicate, decorative arches positioned beneath each balcony, enhancing the monument's grandeur and historical accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.